Everybody, I wanted to talk to you for a second about the sexual assault deadlines in California. A lot of my friends know that I practice in both Texas and California, so I wanted to make sure everybody understands the deadlines, because a lot of things that even if it happened a long time ago, you still could file a claim for sexual assault and get civil damages. So for a child case, and this is involving sexual assault of a child, it used to be that the person had until they were age 26 to file a civil lawsuit. But now in 2020, that has changed. And this is a lot to do with the Me Too movement and the media attention dealing with the crimes involving the churches, the crimes involving directors, Jeffrey Epstein, and all that stuff. So California really understands the impact of sexual assault, and it has extended these deadlines so victims can get justice. Because a lot of what happens in these type of cases is victims of sexual assault will repress the memory because it's complex PTSD or PTSD, and they have a lot of shame and a lot of embarrassment dealing with that, and it takes a long time to even get the courage to come forward. So thankfully, these deadlines have been extended. So currently, as of 2020, a victim of a childhood sexual assault has until age 40 to file a claim, to age 40. And there's a saving provision, meaning that if your case was barred from the statute of limitations because of the old law, you now have until 2023, January 2023, to file an expired claim. And that's dealing with childhood sexual assault crimes. So with adult assault, this is sexual assault of an adult, the old law was you had 3 years to file a civil case. Now you have 10 years to file a civil case. And it also has a discovery rule of 3 years, meaning that if the memory of the sexual assault was repressed and you didn't really recognize that you had a psychological injury because of the previous sexual assault, you can have until 3 years, an additional time period within 3 years to file a claim. That's called a discovery rule, because you did not discover that the injury was related to a previous assault, even if that assault was some time ago. So those are the rules now in California. There is time to file a claim, especially on a childhood sexual assault claim that was previously barred by the statute of limitations. That current deadline is January 2023. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.